In this video, we're going to talk about how to pin your favorite web pages right to the home screen of your 6000A+ panel. Hey there, my name's Tristan O'Connor and I'm a digital sales specialist here at ClearTouch. So today we're going to talk about how to open up different web pages and save them right to the home screen of your panel. You can even run two websites side by side instead of having to jump back and forth through all of those tabs. So first thing I'm going to do is go to my Chrome browser. Now, this Chrome browser is ready for me to type in just about any web page, and in this case, we're going to do a pretty familiar one to me, the Get ClearTouch web page. So once I've typed it in, we're ready to go. So it's going to load, and then you'll see in the top right, anytime you're running the Chrome browser, there's a little ellipsis. Now, I'm going to click on that ellipsis, and I'm going to go down to Add to Home Screen. And you'll see I have an opportunity to change the name of this, but I'm going to stick with that name and click Add. Now it's asking me if I wanted to move this widget around to my home screen, so I can essentially click Add to Home Screen or hold this down and then put it wherever I want on the screen there. So now I've got my web page and I'm good to go. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to hold down and I'm going to click Split Right or Split Left. And then I have an option to choose another screen. Well, running in the background actually is another website that I've done this to prior. So I'm going to select that website and you'll see that now I have both websites displayed and I can always use that little bar in the middle to resize them. This effectively allows me to run two separate web pages at once, and I can still use all of my awesome overlay tools. If you'd like to see more of these videos, keep an eye on our YouTube as we're coming out with them as fast as we can. Otherwise, check out the ClearTouch Experience app, where you can actually find modular videos and how-tos. They're all bite-sized, so you don't have to watch 40-minute long episodes of these. Either way, appreciate you taking the time.